If your Dell monitor can't output 100 Hz from your HP laptop, you are not alone. I also face the same difficulty when I tried casting my laptop with the Dell monitor that I got at my workplace. But whenever I tried to cast from my laptop to the monitor, it won't open. The screen would go black. Initially, I thought that this was an issue with my HP display drivers, since my HP display drivers were from the OEM, the manufacturer drivers, and I did not update them to the latest version, thinking that those are widely compatible. But I was proven wrong. Today I tried updating the driver and did not see any difference. So whenever I tried to connect or extend my laptop to the monitor through HDMI, the screen would go black. I tried the same monitor with any other laptop, but it was running fine. I was confused at why it was happening with my laptop, since my laptop had a dedicated GPU, NVIDIA graphics card also, but still it was not casting to the laptop on 75 or 100 Hz. So in this video I will show you how to fix that issue. So first of all, you need to connect your monitor with your laptop. Now you have to go to the resolutions setting on your laptop, and from the resolution setting on your laptop you have to click on 100 Hz. As soon as you click on the 100 Hz, your screen will go black. Now when your screen will go black, you have to turn off the screen by pressing the power button on your monitor. Now remember that this needs to be done pretty much fast. So whenever you power off your monitor, now power on monitor immediately. Go back to your laptop screen and confirm the changes that you have just made. Now in this case you need to be quick, because as soon as you turn off the monitor, you need to turn back it on, and also you have to confirm the changes. As you can see on the screen that when I did this, my HP laptop was able to display 100 Hz refresh rate. So this is the tutorial that I wanted to share with you guys. Hope you guys like this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. As always, peace out.